Simply, what is meant by chemistry, where it is used, and where we see the chemistry applications in our daily life. We are going to discuss today introduction part. How many students may know what is meant by chemistry? What is meant by chemistry? Now we will discuss in detail. What is meant by chemistry? What is the importance of the chemistry? How chemistry plays a very important role in our daily life. From the morning to till the night, what we are doing, all applications are nothing but chemical applications only. Let's see. Achha, what is meant by chemistry? In further, I am going to discuss what is the chemistry, where it is used. Achha, where you can see the chemistry, what are the applications of chemistry? So these are the question mark. Chemistry, what is meant by chemistry, where it is used. Achha, what is chemistry? Where you have seen the chemistry, matlab what is the applications of chemistry? Achha, why chemistry? Achha, why you are going to study chemistry? Achha, most of the students are the feeling that we are studying the chemistry because of you will get good marks in board examination or like NEET examination and JEE examination. That purpose only most of the students are studying chemistry. But that is not the purpose of studying chemistry. Beyond chemistry, there is no mystery there. So many applications we are going to discuss in chemistry only. Right, Chalo? Achha, what is chemistry once again? Achha, universe का मतलब क्या है? Universe is including matter like stars, etc. Everything is universe only. So we are studying universe is nothing but you are studying about the matter only. Achha, you may know that matter is nothing but anything that has a mass and occupies some space only. So once again, object I already discussed. Anything that has a mass and occupies some space is called matter. At a simple definition, study of chemical composition and their properties, like transformations of the substance into simple matter, one form into another form. Achha, can you guess what is this is definition of the chemistry one? This is definition of chemistry only. In simple manner, what is meant by chemistry is the study of science which deals with chemical changes around us. For example, can you take one example? For combustion, for any substance or combustion which is required, oxygen is required. Achha, for example, when CO2 gas, like I consider when any object like which containing carbon, when exposed to air, अच्छा exposure to air, मतलब which is required, oxygen is required. अच्छा, what is happened? CO2 is liberated, some ash is left behind. Anything, any chemical changes around us, whether it is oxidation or maybe reduction, maybe double decomposition, maybe displacement reaction, the chemical changes, the study of chemical changes around us, and the factors which influence those chemical changes are said to be chemistry only. But in simple chemistry, how can you define is the study of chemical composition and their properties and transformations of the one form of substance into other form of substance is called chemistry only in simple only. Achha, this is called chemistry. Achha, where we use chemistry? Now see the interesting thing. Where is chemistry? Achha, we can see where is chemistry. Achha, you see this, you see beautiful diagram over here. She is smelling something. She is smelling something. Matlab fragrance is coming. Oh, the fragrance is nothing but chemistry only. She is smelling. The smelling fragrance is nothing but due to chemistry only. The fragrance is nothing but chemistry only. Right? Somebody only see this fragrance, but you see the color. You see the color of the flowers only. This is nothing but behind this color is nothing but pigments, nothing but chemistry only. Achha, see a flower. Some flowers are appears like different colors only. Achha, this color is because of what? We see the color is nothing but because of chemistry only. Here colors are chemistry only. Just you touch a flower. I think biology students might know very well, like plant, flower, etc. Anything, alkaloids, flavonoids, all these are having chemical structures are there. Like chlorophyll, anything. Structure is here. Structure is nothing but chemistry only. The structure is nothing but chemistry only. Means where we see the chemistry in daily life. Acha, while you are breathing, respiration, what we require, oxygen is required, which is nothing but chemical compound, chemical application only. Acha, while breathing, ab dekho, in the form of oxygen you breathe. Acha, most important but not least, acha, everybody knows the water. Everybody knows water. Bina water is mushkil hai. Our life is mushkil hai. It's very difficult to live. So water is nothing but chemical compound. Because what not the water we use is nothing but also chemical compound. The essential compound in our daily life. Every day you're using an essential compound is nothing but water, which is nothing but by using chemical analysis, by using electrical arc from hydrogen oxygen, by using platinum electrode, we prepare water also. So like it is also a chemical compound. That means where we see the chemistry, like some examples. Actually, in the making of laptops kaavachu, like mobile phone kaavachu, like helmets kaavachu, carbon fibers kaavachu, anything is polymers, plastics, etc. Everything is nothing but chemical applications only. So in the making of laptops, in the making of cell phones, what we are using is nothing but is chemical applications only. That means where we see the chemistry. Daily life, every day, we are using all these essential parts today. Mobile phones or laptops are essential part of our daily life only. Achha, we have not five fingers. Sixth finger also possible there. The sixth finger always containing a laptop, mobile phone. Nowadays, it is essential part of each and every student also. Right, nanotechnology, I think everybody might know. Nanotechnology. In nanotechnology also chemistry applications are there. Achha, some isotopes are, iodine isotopes are used for thyroid, curing thyroid. Iodine 127 and we call as iodine 127, which is used for curing thyroid. Like sodium 23 is also there, which is used for blood circulation only. So different isotopes, cobalt 60 is cancer therapy. So different isotopes are using. So nothing but is a chemical compound. Element is nothing but iodine is element. Achha, C. Cobalt 60, radiotherapy and radiotherapy, cancer treatment, the best way to treat cancer is nothing but radiotherapy only. Achha, cobalt 60 isotope is used as a cancer reagent, means which can cure the cancer only. Achha, this is called radiotherapy. In radiotherapy is chemistry one of the applications on. Achha, not only this, daily from the morning to till the night, what we are doing nothing but 95% of the chemical applications only. 90%, soap, detergents, shampoos, etc., etc. Anything you can use. This is nothing but chemical applications only, right? Acha, means chemistry is everywhere. Not only chemistry purpose is to getting the better marks in board examination, to get the better rank in competitive examination. Beyond that also, the scope, more scope is there to learn, and you became a scientist also. So that means chemistry means everywhere is there. Anything is nothing but chemistry. 95% of our daily applications are nothing but chemistry only. Chalo. Achha, there are some important areas where we use chemistry. Where we use chemistry daily life. Some important applications are. Achha, देखो pigments है, paints है, different color paints है. Achha, these are nothing but chemical application. Dyes and what is called as dyes. Dyes बोलते हैं, azo compounds है, dyes है. So see the different colors are obtained over here. Nothing but due to chemical applications only. Nothing but paints are nothing but what we observe the chemical application in paints, in dyeing industry also. We use chemical applications. Acha, is a daily part of our life. Soaps and detergents. Soaps and detergents, nothing but chemical applications only. Acha, we use soaps, detergents, toothpaste, air conditioners. From morning to till the night, what we are using is nothing but chemical applications. From morning to till the night, what we are using? Acha, soaps, detergents, air conditioners, shampoos, toothpaste, etc. Acha, carbon fibers. Carbon fibers are very much used. It is stronger, harder than steel also. Like bikes and cars, etc. While riding the bike, we can wear the helmets also. But the material used is carbon fiber only, very stronger than the steel also. Actually, carbon fiber is 3 times stronger than the steel. Where we use it daily life. Not only helmet, some making of cars, like bikes, some parts of the bikes also made with carbon fiber. Right? Chalo. Acha, photography. Acha, most of the students are very much interested because selfie is common today's. They are very much interested in photography only. Acha, photography film also. Whether photography film and developing of the film, everything is nothing but chemical process only. For your kind of information, every photography film is made with AGBR, silver bromide. Every photograph film is made with silver bromide, AGBR, what we call as AGBR, silver bromide. So chemistry develops the image. Film containing chemistry only. Chemistry prints the picture also. Because developing film, what we are using, hypo. Acha, once again, I'm telling you. So generally, photographic film lo emuntundante AGBR, silver bromide. Acha, for developing photographic film, we used hypo. Acha, some students might know the formula for hypo, Na2S2O3. .5H2O. This is a hydrated sodium thiosulfate, is called hypo only. So daily life, once again I am repeating, I am reminding you, from the morning to till the night, what we are using, nothing but chemical applications only. Right? So that means developing the image, taking the picture and printing the picture, and everything is nothing but, behind this one is nothing but chemistry only. I just see the different guy. Fashion, somebody is very much important. Fashion technology, somebody is fashion. Like everybody having a feeling of make himself is a very beautiful only. Herself is a make very beautiful only. For that purpose, you're using the different colors. Right? This is nothing but chemical application only. Fashions. Looking good is excellence. Looking good is excellence only. Everybody wants excellence only. Nothing but fashion. Like what is behind this one is chemical applications only. Already we discussed shampoo and toothpaste and everything. Everything is nothing but chemical applications only, right? Self-cleaning cloths, everything. Matlab, you get an idea that we are not only studying chemistry because of getting good marks in board examination. Also, some secret is there in chemistry. Some importance points are there in chemistry. You're supposed to become a great scientist in future. So you should learn chemistry thoroughly so that you are versatile in nature. Acha, healthier lives. I think this is very important. Most of the people saving their lives by using some medicines, nothing but drugs only. Majority, not majority, 100% of the people in the universe saving their lives because by using some medicines only. Acha, nowadays you can see the different diseases. Lately, we know corona pandemic condition anywhere, dengue fever anywhere. Any diseases, we supposed to use the medicine only. So medicine are nothing but behind the medicine, what is there? Chemical applications is there. So for healthier lifespan can increase our lifespan. Every person should use the medicines. We call as drugs also medicine, but all drugs are medicine, but all medicine need not to be drugs. That we can discuss this is. Acha dekho, the preparation of all medicines uses chemical science only, chemical applications only. Pharma industry, we know pharma industry, behind pharma industry, what is the application is chemical applications only. Right? So every person is want to live longer life only. In order to live longer life, definitely they can use medicines only, right? Acha, agriculture. How chemistry help for agriculture? Like ammonium phosphate, urea, like nitroleum, fertilizers like ammonium phosphate, ammonium sulfate, what used in fertilizers. So in order to fertile the land, in order to increase the yield of the crop, so good yield of the crop, good quality of the crop, we are using a medicine, we are using a chemicals only. Like we call as fertilizers only. We call as fertilizers only. So chemistry in agriculture, what is the aim of this one? So fertility of the soil, increase the fertility of the soil. Chalo, increase the fertility of the soil. Acha, improving the yield and the quality of the crop. Mostly, I think today we heard about the organic food. Acha, we are using less chemical, then we can make the crop only. So this is the organic food. We see the in bazaar somebody else they are purchasing organic food only. But anyhow, in agriculture sector, how chemistry is helpful to increase the fertility of the soil so that the crop will increase, good yield of the percentage will obtain only, right? Achha, till then, discussed only one point. What is meant by chemistry? It is a branch of science which deals with chemical changes around us. What chemical changes? Again, I repeat, what chemical changes? It may be oxidation, it may be reduction, it may be double decomposition, it may be displacement reaction, it may be corrosion, it may be anything. The science which deals with chemical changes and their properties and transfer of the substance into small matters, one form into other form is nothing but chemistry only. Acha, where we see the chemistry, what are the applications of chemistry? So from the morning to till the night, what we use 95% of all the applications are chemical application. That only we discuss. Now, what are the branches of chemistry? What kind of branches we are going to discuss in 11th and 12th standard, matlab intermediate first year and second year, what chapters we are going to study, I will give the brief introduction today. Acha, what are the branches of chemistry? Acha, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. I think 10th standard also you studied some branches of the chemistry. Physical chemistry, like biochemistry, analytical chemistry, drug chemistry, pharma chemistry, different branches are there. The main important branches are, these are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry. Achha, for a kind of information, all branches are there. These all branches are there in complete 11th and 12th. Complete 11th and 12th. In 11th standard and 12th standard, we are going to discuss all five different branches of the chemistry only. So organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry, analytical chemistry. Practical chemistry, nothing but analytical chemistry only. Qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, like salt, identification of cation and anion. So different colors of the salt. Anything is nothing but analytical chemistry. Acha, biochemistry, biomolecule we can discuss. Biomolecule, carbohydrates, amino acid, RNA, DNA, etc. Proteins, biochemistry. Now all five branches of chemistry now we are going to use in 11th standard and 12th standard. Acha, previously very little bit of this we are using in 10th standard and 9th standard only. But in 11th and 12th standard, we are using all 5 branches of chemistry only. One by one, we can discuss in brief, because anyhow, when I started the real chapters of 11th and 12th, I can discuss in detail only. Chalo now. Branch of chemistry, first organic chemistry. In simple only today I will discuss. In simple, organic chemistry. What do you mean by organic chemistry? Study of hydrocarbon and derivatives. Some students have doubt. What are hydrocarbons? What are hydrocarbons? What are hydrocarbons? अच्छा देखो hydrocarbons है. Hydrocarbons means carbon hydrates. अच्छा carbon hydrates का formula. How will write formula of the carbon hydrates है? Like CXHY, carbon hydrates. For example, I should write CH4 is a hydrocarbon. अच्छा C2H6 is a hydrocarbon. अच्छा C6H6 is a hydrocarbon. Like C2H2 is a hydrocarbon. These are called hydrocarbons. Carbon hydrates are nothing but hydrocarbons. And their derivatives है. Derivative का मतलब replacement of hydrogen by other atom. अच्छा, suppose here in ethane, instead of one hydrogen, I will replace suppose CLI, derivative of hydrocarbon. अच्छा, suppose instead of one hydrogen, suppose I replace one chlorine or bromine, this is called bromobenzene. Nothing but derivative of hydrocarbon. In simple, organic chemistry deals with what? Study of carbon hydrates. Acha, hydrate is different, hydrate is different. You observe simple difference between simple difference hydride. Simple difference hydride is different. Hydrate is different. Hydrate is different. Hydrate is water. Like CxH2O taken y times, this is water. Water is different, hydrogen is different. Carbon hydrates are nothing but only organic chemistry. And the study of derivatives in detail we can discuss, because organic branch is separate branch, very vast branch. Every year millions of the organic compounds added to the list. We can discuss separately only organic chemistry. Now inorganic, very simple, other than study of hydrocarbon, like study of elements, study of compound, like analytical analysis of the analysis of the compounds, elements, etc. Nothing but inorganic chemistry. One simple word, what is inorganic chemistry is, other than study of hydrocarbon, is nothing but inorganic chemistry only. Now other type of branches you can see. देखो organic chemistry applications we discuss later, because it is a vast branch only, organic chemistry. Now inorganic chemistry. What is inorganic chemistry? Is other than study of hydrocarbons, is nothing but inorganic chemistry in general. Like study of elements, study of compounds, like you see these reagents. Study of these compounds are other than study of hydrocarbons, is nothing but inorganic chemistry. Of course, this branch is also used branch in our 11th and 12th syllabus, inorganic chemistry. Like I think everybody might know the 10th standard periodic classification. Achha, what is physical chemistry? Physical chemistry, which deals with the physical properties and the transformations, physical change, solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and suppose gas to liquid, gas to solid. Achha, evaporation, condensation, both are possibility there. And the phenomena of changing, like study of atoms and study of compounds, everything is nothing but physical chemistry only. Once again, you can check. Achha, solid to liquid, liquid to gas, evaporation. Achha, reverse process is also possible. Gas to liquid, gas to liquid to solid is possible. Condensation process means conversions of physical substance is possible. There is nothing but physical chemistry. Study of compounds, study of solid state chemistry, liquid state chemistry, gaseous state. Everybody knows in 9th standard, 10th standard you studied. States of matter, what we call as gaseous state, also studied. There is nothing but branch of physical chemistry only. Acha, this is nothing but water as compounder. Acha, now see changes are the same. Solid to water है, water to steam है, melting है, evaporation है. The solid to liquid is melting है, water to steam is evaporation है. Reversible process also possibility there. Acha, we have to convert gaseous state into liquid state है. This is also possible. Acha, one thing, intermolecular forces are dominating, then solid gas convert into solid state है. Thermal energy is dominating, solid state convert into gaseous state है. Two terms are intermolecular forces are dominating. So I will tell you one simple thing here. If intermolecular forces are dominating, like intermolecular forces are dominating, intermolecular forces are dominating, dominant, intermolecular forces are dominant, then gases are converted into liquids, liquids are converted into solid. Actually, this is opposite word है. If thermal energy is dominant, thermal energy is dominant, thermal energy is dominating, thermal energy is dominating. Acha, reverse process. Whenever thermal energy means is away from each other. मतलब thermal energy dominate, this is possible. Solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Solid to liquid, solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Solid to liquid molecules. We see biomolecular carbohydrates, RNA, DNA, nothing but nucleic acids, proteins, like enzymes, etc. Everything is we are going to discuss in detail in biochemistry only. It's a very interesting topic for biological students only. What are the biological reactions are taking place? What is the metabolic process in our body is going on? Everything you are going to discuss in biochemistry. And last but not least, analytical chemistry. Mostly in our 11th and 12th syllabus, analytical chemistry, what we are using qualitative and quantitative analysis. Analytical means lab chemistry. We call laboratory chemistry also we call as. In general, also laboratory chemistry also we call as. Acha, everybody knows laboratory chemistry. Acha, we are giving much less importance of analytical chemistry in our 11th and 12th standard. Only practical chemistry only we are using in analytical chemistry under the part. Acha, remaining like organic, inorganic, physical and biochemistry are part of our 11th and 12th syllabus only. Analytical chemistry, yes, lab. In our labs, we are using analytical chemistry only. Like salt analysis, like identification of salt, the conformations of the cation and anion, everything we are going to discuss. This is a simple. This is simple chemistry. You see, at the last point conclusion. You see the last conclusion. Achha, where applications are? In brief, chemistry, where we can see where is chemistry and very simple wheel you can see in the metallurgical process, extraction of the metal, like ore, from ore we can extract the metal, metallurgy process, agriculture, increase the fertility of the soil, increase the yield. Achha, environmental science is nothing but chemistry only, branch of chemistry only. Biological science, I said biochemistry, everything is under chemistry only. Achha, forsenic science is nothing but DNA, RNA, etc. Everything is nothing but chemical applications only. Pharmaceutical, if any person is live longer life, they must use medicines. So this is a pharmaceutical chemistry, nothing but medicinal chemistry only. Everything is chemistry, where you can see the chemistry in simple view, it is chemistry only. Right? So today we discussed only what is meant by chemistry. In brief, 1 minute, I can conclude what is chemistry. It is a branch of science which deals with chemical changes around us and factors which influence those chemical changes. What are factors? Matlab, pressure, temperature, volume, etc. These are nothing but factors which influence those chemical changes. And where we see the chemistry, different parts of the industry, we can see the chemistry applications only. Like where it is used chemistry, like what are the branches of chemistry, how many branches we are going to study in 11th and 12th standard. These are the topics. So we are going to study in complete 11th and 12th.